You told me you live with your husband. And you brought in some of his hair for the genetic testing because you had sex with him and another man within 24 hours.
So the babies aren't my husband's? He isn't the father, is he?
Stop.
Twins are.
Try to relax.
Try to relax.
Take a deep
You
breath.
relax. You don't know what I'm going through.
It's that in 20 years of practice, I've never had a case like this. You released 2 eggs and had 2 fertilizations at 2 different times. This kind of pregnancy is due to what we call superfecundation. Your embryo number 1 is compatible with the DNA sample from your husband. But embryo 2 is not. Technically, they are dizygotic. Fraternal twins. Both male. But each one comes from a different father.
Teza mumbi honde muboyiro nabihonze muboyiro tayari reba ngo umugore aracanganya ikiruka